Hello students, welcome to Zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 9 chapter 6. Today's topic is blood circulation in human. Blood vessels. Last class we have discussed about blood vessels, especially artery and vein. Today we have to know about left blood vessels whose name is capillary. Capillary. What is capillary? Any of the fine branching blood vessels that forms a network between the arterioles and venules. Arterioles means branch of artery and venules means branch of vein. That means fine blood vessels that forms a network between the arterioles and veins is called capillary. Characteristics of capillary. There is a picture of capillary. Number 1, origin and ending. Follow the picture. Capillary originated from a branch of artery. These are branches of artery which are called arteriole. Originated from arteriole and end on branch of vein which is called venule. Originated from artery, vein, end on venule. Direction of blood flow, artery to vein. Wall of blood vessels. The capillary is thinnest blood vessels. That's why wall of vessels also thinnest. Lumen of capillary also narrow than the artery and vein. Bulb is absent here. Location, it is located into the different organ of animal body. It is located different organ or into different organ. Blood pressure. What is blood pressure? The pressure of blood against the wall of arteries is called blood pressure. Systolic blood pressure. What is systolic blood pressure? The pressure of blood against the wall of arteries during the systolic condition, that means contracted condition of heart, is called blood pressure. I am saying again, the pressure of blood against the wall of arteries during the systolic condition of heart is called systolic blood pressure. Normal range 100 to 140 mm. Diastolic blood pressure. The pressure of blood against the wall of arteries during the diastolic condition, that means relaxed condition of heart, is called diastolic blood pressure. Normal range 65 to 90 mm. Ideal blood pressure 120 by 80, that means systolic blood pressure always high, systolic blood pressure 120 and diastolic blood pressure 80. This is the ideal blood pressure. High blood pressure above 150 to 90. High blood pressure above 150 by 90, that means systolic blood pressure 150 up and diastolic blood pressure 90 up is called high blood pressure. Hypertension. What is hypertension? When the blood pressure rises above the normal range is considered as high blood pressure or hypertension. Symptoms and sign of hypertension. Number 1, headache. Number 2, vertigo. Vertigo means matha ghora. Shoulder pain. Palpitation, that means the raise of heartbeat than the normal range is called palpitation. Sometimes bleeding from nose. Insomnia, that means sleeplessness. etc. Hypertension diagnosis. Blood pressure can be examined with the help of sphygmomanometer. This is the figure of sphygmomanometer. There is a figure of another sphygmometer which is called digital sphygmomanometer. By the help of this machine, we may measure our high blood pressure or normal blood pressure. Causes of hypertension. Number 1, tension. Number 2, body weight. If body weight is high, then the normal BMI. Taking excessive salt, cholesterol, enriched foods and fatty diet. Smoking, drinking alcohol. Parents have got this disease. That means if father and mother suffering by hypertension, the son and daughter more possibility to suffer by hypertension. Cholesterol. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is an organic molecule which is important component of cells of higher animals and circulated with blood as lipoprotein is called cholesterol. It is a type of lipid. It is a compound hydrocarbon, that means it is formed by hydrogen and carbon. It is an essential structural component of animal cell membranes. Types of cholesterol. Number 1, LDL, that means low density lipoprotein. It is called bad cholesterol. There is 70% LDL in our blood. HDL or high density lipoprotein, it is called good cholesterol. Why it is called good cholesterol? Because LDL is harmful for our body and HDL helps to control the LDL. That's why it is called good cholesterol. Triglyceride. Triglyceride is produced from animal fats and carbohydrates in food. Sources: butter, prawn, oyster, liver of cattle, egg yolk, etc. are the different types of sources of cholesterol. Thank you everyone.